Hello, good afternoon, maayong hapon. This is Joan of Art, and we are doing a mural painting project at Santa Fe Resort. Here we are at Santa Fe Resort, and we are going to discuss the Ilonggo words dasig and hinay. Dasig and hinay are words that pertain to speed. Dasig means fast, while hinay means slow. So while we are trying to do the mural of Santa Fe as fast as we can, the rains slow us down. As you can see, there's a tarp high above us, but it can only do so much. Now for the comparative form fast, faster, and fastest, you can say for fast, dasig, faster, mas dasig, and fastest, pinaka dasig. The opposite of that would be slow, hinay, slower, mas hinay, and slowest, pinaka hinay. So the two prefixes that you need to remember are mas for and pinaka for est. Again, fast, faster, fastest, dasig, mas dasig, pinaka dasig, and slow, slower, slowest, hinay, mas hinay, and pinaka hinay. You can see us doing the crazy moves for hinay and dasig. That's Yaj, Julio, and myself doing the crazy moves while Wen is recording the time-lapse video for this mural project. We are also trying to work as fast as we can because we are losing daylight as it's already about 6 o'clock in the evening and it's going to be dark soon. That's why we turn on the lights. When you use the word dasig 3 times in a row, such as dasig, 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 it also means faster, faster, faster. You don't have to say mas dasig, mas dasig, mas dasig. Just dasig, 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 faster, faster, faster. And hinay 3 times in a row, hinay, hinay, hinay. It means slower, slower, slower. When you call on someone to do something faster, you say dasiga. It means make it fast. And hinaya, it means make it slower. So I hope you learned something new today. For more words, please type in the comment section. Thumbs up for a like, and please do subscribe for more words. This is Joan of Art saying I love you all. Until then, mwah.